People actually say, I can't believe that you can make chili in about 30 minutes that taste this fabulous. You're gonna love how easy this is. We've got about 2 pounds of ground meat. Just break it up a little bit. We have a couple of cans of chili hot beans. Now 1 can of light red kidney beans. A can of Rotel. Now we want 2 teaspoons of hot chili powder. It can be a little heaping if you want them to be. Let's add now 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Then we're going to add a 1.5 cups of water. We're going to have 2 envelopes of beefy onion soup mix. You really will want to double this recipe because it is so great to have this in the freezer, pop it out, have it in the microwave, and all we want to do, I've got it on medium, and this is ready to go. We're going to let this simmer about 30 minutes, and that's it. And this is so quick, so easy. Be sure you make extra so you'll have something to freeze. And we'll put chili on this.